Hello and welcome to Blindly Simple. My name is Penny and I'm here to take you through step by step making your curtain. So you've purchased your box, so let's see what you're going to have in your box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First of all, you'll have a USB stick with all the various notes that you're going to need to follow to make your curtain. Secondly, there is a set of comprehensive notes. So you do at some time or another need to sit down with a cup of tea and actually read all of it, because they will make a great deal of sense after you've made your sample curtain. So that's one part. You will have 1.5 meters of interlining to put inside your curtain. We'll talk about that a little bit later. You will have 1.5 meters of lining, which again is something else that we'll talk about later. And you will have 1.5 meters of face fabric. Now this face fabric is actually cut so that you can just crack on and you can make up your curtain. Inside this little box here, there's all sorts of little goodies. There is a piece of buckram, which will go into the top of your curtain to make your pleats up. There is a reel of thread. This is hand sewing thread, so that you've got plenty of thread in which to make up your curtain. This is hand sewing. You must put this in your sewing machine. This is hand sewing thread. It's got a packet of pins, so you'll have plenty of pins to complete your curtain and to keep forever. You'll have a packet of needles. We use nice big long needles when we're making curtains, so you'll have plenty of those. Again, they'll last you forever. Some weights to go in the corner of each corner of your curtain, along with some weight pockets. You've got a hem guide, which will be covered a bit later on once we actually start making up our curtain. This saves you an awful lot of measuring. So we'll put that to one side now. You'll see how we use that later on. And there is some hooks to actually, when your curtain is finished, you'll be able to hang your curtain up.